Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to filter water with the Sawyer Mini. While hiking in the backcountry, it's a common misconception that all clear or moving water is fine to drink. While there are plenty of times this is true, you'll still want to be sure to filter all water you collect because of things like pollution, people using the bathroom in or around water sources, or even maybe a dead animal upstream from where you're collecting. This is my favorite way to filter water. So the first thing we'll need to do is collect water. As you can see, this water isn't the clearest, and that's okay. For this method, I'll be using my platypus soft bottle. Start by blowing air into the bottle to unflatten it. Next, try scooping water into the bottle like this. Just submerging it alone won't fill it. You can see some floating debris in there, and that's fine. The filter will take care of that. This step takes the most practice. Next, we'll need to thread the Sawyer Mini onto the platypus. This can definitely be a little tricky to get right, but again, just give it time and make sure that it's threaded all the way on. Once you have it on, grab your empty smart water bottle. When you start filtering, no water should be leaking between the filter and the bottle. Finally, to start filtering some water, find a flat spot to set your bottle down on, turn your soft bottle upside down, and rest the tip of the filter on the mouth of the water bottle. Start filtering by squeezing the soft bottle until water starts to flow through the filter. I recommend rolling it from the bottom like a toothpaste tube. It's hard to tell in the video, but every few seconds I'm pulling the filter away from the bottle to create a small gap which allows pressure to escape from the water bottle. This is only necessary with the sport cap style bottles because the tip of the filter fits against the mouth of the bottle so well. This step will take some time as the water makes its way through the filter. The slow flow of water just means that the filter is functioning properly, so continue rolling the soft bottle until it's empty. Now you'll want to backflow your filter. Make sure the flow arrow is pointing towards your clean water and insert the tip into the sport cap. Now just squeeze out a little bit of water. This helps extend the life of the filter. And there you have it, a simple way to create clean drinking water on trail. Remember, everybody's different, so don't be afraid to do things your own way. Let me know in the comments how you filter water, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time.